Hey team, happy training tip Tuesday. I learned something really cool if you're a Gmail user. So I'm going to share my screen and share with you a few tips to save some time. All right, showing you my screen. Okay, so here's my Gmail. And there's this really cool feature called canned response. And I know it sounds cheesy, but it's awesome. So normally when I'm responding to somebody, I do an ad on my Facebook page first or a post, and then people leave their email addresses or they email me. So that usually means I open up my script in my Google Drive or search for a different script that I like and copy and paste and tweak it to this specific situation, and it can be time consuming. So let me show you this canned response thing. Okay, so I'm going to compose an email and I type out someone's email, and I know my girl Wendy Jo, so okay, and then I type in the subject, and then so my initial message to people is always the same. So you can go down here to this more options and click on it and go to canned responses. And since this is my initial contact with Wendy, I'm going to go to initial interest in challenge group and click on it. And boom, there is my script. I'm talking about what we're doing. I'm asking for nutrition and goals, and then I click send. Easy as that, okay? So another option that, okay, so there's a couple different canned responses that you can create. So I'll go down to, let's see, somebody that, hasn't checked in with me in a while. So I can click reply to them, and then again, I have a different canned response, and that's called my fourth follow-up, and that would be just something simple, like how has your progress been since we last talked? Just a simple message that I would send. This would be like a month after I had sent a couple messages before then. So yeah, and then that's available to me, and you can create all these different ones based on, certain situations that you commonly see when you're emailing people. So the way to create this, okay, so you start off with a new message, which I still have Wendy up here. Okay, so let me delete this. And then you just type up, hey, you are rocking this business, and I'm so proud of you. Okay, so there's one of my sample messages. I want to make that one of my canned responses. So I come down here and canned response, and then I can create a new one. So I would go to new canned response, and then I would call this, say, like props, because I'm giving Wendy props. Okay, and so then that'll be one that's available to me next time that I want to give Wendy props. I can just save that. Anyway, so yeah, so maybe that helps, maybe it doesn't, but for me it's been awesome just to save a little bit of time.